So, it is the 1st of June, and today I'm gonna go to Knott's with a couple of my friends. We're gonna go to Knott's, and then my friend Hannah's parents rented out a hotel for us. So we're gonna share 2 rooms for us girls, and then her parents are gonna share the 3rd room. And yeah, this is the fit. Wait, I'm wearing this white floral tube top from Q Love. Then I'm wearing these jeans from, again, I don't know where. I believe they're from probably like Forever 21, but I'm not sure. And then I'm wearing my Slytherin socks. Devin. We have Jacqueline.
Oh. Hello, I'm Jacqueline.
We have Hannah.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
And we have Melanie. Hi.
If anything, we could go to the park for a little bit and come back to the hotel.
No, sis, I don't want to go back to the hotel because we only got 1-day tickets, so I want to spend the whole day at the park.
Marlene!
You have to go on Calico Rapids.
What's that one? Which one's that one? Which one's that one? Which one's that one?
Sophia's here.
Are you ready, Sophia? Are you gonna go on all the rides? Yes. Are you gonna go on Accelerator?
Yes.
Vloggers. Ow! I hurt myself. Yes, I'm vlogging.
Oh, I feel like I'm sneezing.
Sophia, do you have anything to say to the camera?
Hi. Have you ever heard of this?
You have anything to say to the camera?
Yeah.
So we here, we at Knott's.
That boysenberry milk tea boba.
I want that.
I'm suing Knott's Berry Farm.
Why?
It's a danger to society.
Someone needs to stop Knott's Berry Farm right now. Who's with me?
Marlene in the back.
Where's Jacqueline?
Jacqueline, come into the vlog.
No, wrong way.
Hi, Hannah. Okay, how do vloggers do this? My arm hurts.
Wait, y'all stay together.
Okay, Melanie, are you ready for the rides?
Someone.
Well, we'll see you then. So we're in Knott's now. We're currently in Ghost Town. We're passing the schoolhouse, and I don't know where we're going. I'll vlog. Hi, vlog. Where are we going right now? But hi, vlog.
Oh, this can be like the main thing, like the.
Let's go on the ride.
Thumbnail, ready?
Let's go on the ride.
We're going on the rapids, and I'm really scared because it is cold, and we're gonna be getting wet. So it's us 3 in a cart or in a ride. Are we ready, ladies?
Yes.
Marlene?
Yes. 100%.
I'm not.
I'm not sitting anymore.
You're not sitting anymore? No. There's like no one on this ride because it's pretty early to be going on rapids, but it's okay. We're gonna go on it anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go on it, and I'll see you after we go on it because
Are you sure? No, you sure?
I'm
Oh, your phone's waterproof, right?
Yeah, I know, but
You're too scared?
yeah, I don't want to drop it or anything. So say bye, Marlene.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Okay, we just went on rapids. Look at how soaked I got. My sweater. Marlene was telling the water, fight me, and then it went right on her.
At the water. The water really want to be playing games right now.
Am I ready for Pony Express? No, I'm not. But am I gonna do Pony Express? Yes, I am. Okay, so that's Pony Express.
Y'all, we gotta go on log ride before everybody leaves. Yeah.
So basically this is what it is, and I'm going on that right now. We did it. We did Pony Express.
We got the horses in the front.
I don't know where we're going. Where are we going, guys?
I don't know. Oh, we're going to log ride.
I'm good. I almost died on Pony Express, but I did it. I did it. I'm so scared for hang time. I'm not ready for hang time. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it, Keller. We'll see. We'll see. I really want to do Supreme Scream. That is what I want to do.
You can do Supreme Scream. I want to go on it.
Are you ready, girls? We're going on next, and I'm so ready.
I can't wait to laugh. Good luck. You look scared.
How did you like Coast Rider, I believe it is?
It was not okay. It was fun. It was really fun.
Jacqueline, did you like it?
No. I mean, yes, it's okay, but no.
So we're going back to the hotel to drop off our stuff because our room is ready. And then we're gonna come back and guess what we're gonna have? Funnel cake. Like,
Did you hear the girl back there? She was like, vlogger.
she a vlogger? No, I'm kidding. 50 years into the future, when we're older, we're all gonna watch this and think, who was she?
What were we doing?
And why did she do that? We went on, what did we went on? Coast Rider, and then, yeah, so we're going back.
Express, Calico. We went on 3 rides already.
Which is pretty good because it's only gonna be like noon right now.
And like
it's like 11:30.
Usually those 3 are always packed. Yeah.
So we did good today. We did good right now. Not the whole day, obviously. We didn't go on 3 rides the whole day, but it's like midday, kind of, sorta. We're gonna go on Ghost Rider last, and then they want to go on Hang Time.
Maybe.
No.
Yes.
I'm a crackhead, I'm a crack.
I think that describes everything.
Later. No.
So I'm currently rooming with
Me.
Marlene, Jackie, Vivian, who's not here yet, and Miranda, who's not here yet. And then the other room is
We got the demo room? Yeah, because
Sophia, Hannah. Okay, so we're gonna head back to the park right now. We're gonna go probably on the log ride and then do some other things. Okay, so we're going to Montezuma's Revenge. We just got back from the hotel. We literally just dropped our stuff off and came back. Not that big a video, but yeah. Are you ready, Devin? Yes. Okay, she's never been to Knott's and I didn't know this. So this is her first time doing everything, basically.
Yeah.
And she literally is gonna do everything, right?
Yeah.
My legs feel like jello right now.
Were you shaking?
Yes, dude. Before I got on, I was like, I can't do this. I can't do it. Well, I'm gonna get funnel cake right now. They're not gonna get anything, and then Devin wants French fries. So.
Hey, I'm gonna get funnel cake too. Actually,
Oh, and Hannah's getting funnel cake. So we got funnel cake.
We devoured it.
We ate it.
Oh my gosh, scared me.
Say hi, Vivian.
Hello.
We're gonna go on log ride, I believe. So we just went on log ride, and
it got in my eye. So like
the whole time, me, Devin, and Melanie went together on the ride. We were screaming the chant, and it was really funny. We're going on
Supreme Scream.
and I'm scared.
I'm scared for going up. Same, that's like, but the view's nice. So
I'm gonna scream my head off. I need water after this. I'm gonna get water after this because my voice hurt or my throat hurts.
My voice hurt.
Shut up. We just got off Supreme Scream.
Wait, who's calling me?
How did you like the ride?
It was great.
How did you like the ride?
It was amazing.
So we just got off Silver Bullet. I don't know where we're going now. We're going to...
She's gonna go by herself to pick up Miranda, and we're all gonna stay.
I don't know where we're going now.
We're going to Sidewinder.
We're going to Sidewinder.
Over there with Melanie.
I'm really confused on which Sidewinder is.
Why
But...
do we have to do
Hello, mates. I am with my bestest friend, Sophia. Her name is Sophia. And this is our friend Hannah. And this is our friend Devin. I met Sophia 2 seconds ago. And we are now bestest friends. We traveled the world together 5 years ago. Hannah. We're getting the rest of our crew. We're back with them.
Hi! I look like I have no eyebrows.
It was so much fun. Why didn't you go on it with us?
Because I wanted my cookie wish.
So we just went into our Sidewinder. Jacqueline's face was hilarious. Also, sorry, Vivian, get over here. Also, sorry if this was a really weird angle. I'm trying to charge my phone and do this at the same time.
God, no.
This is Miranda. She joined our little adventure.
Yes, I'm excited. I've been on it.
Going on Silver Bullet.
Yeah, are you?
So we did Silver Bullet. We tried to go on the log ride. That was closed though.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna maybe do. Me and Melanie are maybe gonna do hang time. So yeah, we're gonna go on hang time. Maybe. We're gonna come to a conclusion together. And if so, let's ride together. We'll be next. Okay. Me and her will be screaming our head off. Honestly,
If we do go,
she can yell during Silver Bullet. She was screaming so loud. We just went on hang time, and I literally died halfway through.
I thought I saw my soul up
For
there.
real. Okay, hi guys. So we're at Johnny Rockets. It's just me and her still. We didn't end up going on any rides because we're both pretty hungry, or kind of hungry, but we can both eat. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna get chili cheese fries, chicken tenders, bacon cheddar, I don't know what it is, burger. So we're all set. Everyone else is on accelerator, and I'm not. Yeah, we were like pass, we'll pass. But Marlene and Jacqueline are going on bumper cars. It should be fun. It should be fun. We got the food. So we got chili cheese fries. I got chicken tenders. We got a bacon sandwich. I'm like really like energetic.
Tiny. She just had soda. That's probably why. She shouldn't be energetic because it's fucking soda for Pete's sake.
Welcome to my crib. We got gold panning. But shh, don't tell no one. It's a secret.
You got gold fishing, guys.
We went gold digging.
We're going on Ghost Rider and I'm sorry. But we're online now. And yeah.
Excuse me. Hi vlog. I gave her my chicken and my fries.
So we went on the log ride. Before that we went on
We went on Ghost
Ghost Rider. Sorry, Ghost Rider. And both of them were amazing, but
And went
they,
super fast.
I don't know what happened, but
But
they
at night, everything goes.
yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go get Dippin' Dots, or me and Miranda are, or we all are.
Who's getting Dippin' Dots?
And then we're gonna go back to the hotel probably because, yeah.
The park's closing, y'all.
Yeah, the park's closing and it's late. So we're at Starbucks waiting outside for Devin with Miranda, Hannah, me, Melanie, and Sophia. And we're gonna go back to the hotel right now. And we're gonna meet up with Vivian, Marlene, and Jacqueline. We're washing our feet because they stink because we went on so many water rides and got them so wet.
Wow, hi vlog. We just finished washing our feet, and now
they are
Look at
precious toesies, you know?
Hi vlog.
Hello. It is the next day.
I'm going to change.
It is the next day. And literally yesterday all we did was come back, sleep, and then woke up and we just had breakfast.
Bye vlog.